We just finished up the beard trim. We got nice symmetrical lines on the bottom and on the top. So now what we're going to do is we're going to touch up around the edges with the straight razor. So I want to start out with, before I put a hot towel on his face, I want to start out with our shave lotion. It is it's loaded with aloe vera and skin conditioner to soften the skin, shea butter and chamomile, which is an anti-inflammatory, a little bit of oil, and also cocoa butter, so very moisturizing. So I like to put that on under the towel and steam all that moisture in before we do the shave. So we take a pump and then we just we rub it in on the areas that we're going to shave. And then we're going to grab a hot towel, and that's going to steam all that moisture in. And then we'll reapply before we shave. So we just took a hot towel out of our hot towel machine.